eBay and I wanted to get a new mixer. So that's what I landed on, the Allen Heath ZEDi-8. Let's see if it's good. If it's not, then I'm cooked, I'm not gonna lie.
Really fuck it up.
To the real life, get caught in the net. Think that I needed a wake up call, sometimes I sort of forget. This year I won't be around too much, I do. My doggy just touched down from Paris, so I might say West. What's goody? The fit weren't loud, I stepped in a blacked out hoodie. But I'm fully invested now, so I'm not too trusted.
Shawty gon' none of the teens.